Could I take off the price tag off first? Yeah.
It's not a gift, so it can't stay.
All right, so it's not April Fool's Day just yet. Have to wait till next year. But we're going to be showing you some harmless, fun pranks to play with your friends, especially for those who are in college and want to have some clean fun for the new school year. What if you want to try it with me? Me'd probably be a little bit annoyed. What's the first one?
This is the first one. I'm going to show you just how skilled I am. So.
Where you going?
Wait na youth, wait na youth.
Oh, youth.
Wait na youth.
So like Jody.
Wait na dog.
No,
are they still calling you that at school?
No, I mean like that.
All right. So. See how my skill?
No.
What do you mean no? You do it. Do it without spilling a thing like move your hand. Without spilling. Come. Put it down now.
No,
put on your hand.
No, I will do.
No, you put it
I
on your
don't
hand.
trust you. No, I did put it on your hand.
Never, you don't trust me?
No.
All right, put it on my hand if you want to.
No. What I want to know why I can't put it on my hand.
On the table. But you're not supposed to touch it after you put it on your hand. Cool. So, if your friend have no sense, it's supposed to be that you bet your friend that they can't balance a glass on both hands at once.
At once?
At once.
So,
no.
Oh, you mean?
So 2 glasses, so one upon one hand. The next one.
Hold on, what is you going to make it drop?
I'm not make it drop. Never and lean like a Mount Rasa. Cool. And then.
How am I feeling now?
We're supposed to walk away.
I'll make you show down.
And leave you with them on your hand.
Alright, it's not a problem.
And if you move your hand to take it off, you're going to wait up the place.
You want bet?
Yeah.
Alright. Wait, no man.
Boy. After this, the game done, you know, that more I have to tell you. Well.
What now?
That was the first game.
Yeah.
The next one is to replace the Oreo, the cream middle, with white toothpaste. So you scrape out the cream.
Now, if somebody do this to me, right? I have a feeling I would find where they live, and we would have a serious discussion.
I want to say kids that are watching, don't do this.
Nobody watching.
Especially to your parents.
Nobody watching.
I know that never leave in a room for the next 30 years. See it there? You eat it? After the salsa this morning, I believe same stomach strong. This one then says, paint the bar of soap in the shower with clear nail polish, because no matter how hard they scrub, it won't get soapy. It did wet up already. So, you paint the bar of soap. Now, I don't know what I'm going to wet it up to see if it gets soapy. And then what else? The orange juice gone. Orange juice. So the macaroni and cheese, instead of use the cheese, you use orange juice. To make it look like it's cheese. So it'll come out yellow. This is cheese. Or you want to put the orange juice in the cheese, Kerry? The bowl? Never on in that you're gonna make it.
Why not?
I don't know what's a Jody said, put it in there.
Then inside you say put the water and then you stir it up.
Yeah, in the bowl.
Do you put it in here?
But the macaroni, soft man, take it up. So the macaroni, but it's so soft man, take it up. Orange juice, if you use none of that, soft man, take up the orange juice and the macaroni and go with it. That's the orange juice? This coming like the salsa we made this morning. Kerry, where the macaroni and the orange juice? All right. So, yeah. Or put that in the fridge. Never you just throw the whole of the water. Yeah. So you mix that and put that in the fridge, and people are gonna think of orange juice and drink it. Never when I'm supposed to eat cheese, I go drink it. Oh Lord, I think we're gonna take a break because I don't want us to see when he drinks it.
Suppose to see everybody inside of the pot, Bello. Don't try that.
All right, Londia, we're going to a break? Yeah, we're gonna take a break. We'll be back. Drink it. No, nobody telling us to drink it. Never drink it. Drink it. Never. Drink.
I'll be the pan, Bello.
Drink it. Aubrey, why are you trying to fight the man from drinking?
Well, I have very clean teeth now.